India has deployed heavy artillery, midnight trains and drone flights along the line of control in Indian-occupied Jammu and Kashmir, signaling a massive military buildup. The move is likely to escalate tensions in the region and raise concerns about the impact on civilians and the local economy. India has signed a significant deal for advanced night sites as a part of its military build-up in Indian-occupied Jammu and Kashmir. This move is seen as an escalation of India's military presence in the disputed region, potentially heightening tensions with Pakistan. The advanced night sites will be used to enhance the Indians' military operational capability in the region. A Muslim youth was brutally beaten to death in Uttar Pradesh, sparking widespread outrage and condemnation. The incident has raised concerns about communal violence and human rights abuses in the region, with many calling for justice and accountability. The authorities have been urged to take swift actions against the perpetrators. The death of Rafiq in Madhya Pradesh has sparked controversies, with many criticizing the Indian government's handling of the situation. The incident has exposed that the alleged moral breakdown in India under the Hindutva regime, with concerns raised about the treatment of minorities and the rule of law. India's passport has slipped to 85th place in the world ranking, reflecting a decline in the country's global mobility. The ranking is based on the number of visa-free destinations available to Indian passport holders. The decline in ranking is seen as a concern for Indian citizens and businesses, who will face increasing restrictions and scrutiny when traveling abroad. The job drive initiated by the Indian administration in Jammu and Kashmir has been criticized for being selective and sidelining the true victims of the conflict. Many have questioned the intent behind the job drive, alleging it to be a publicity stunt aimed at projecting a normalcy narrative in the region.